Daniel from the Caravan Association here. Previously in the episode we talked about servicing your caravan. Now we want to talk to you about maintaining your caravan and the key fundamentals and simple steps for ensuring that you maintain your caravan properly. And we've got Peter here from Advantage Caravan Repairs to help us talk about that. So what are the key things that the customers should be doing, Peter?
Okay, so some key things to be viewing. We've got a top list of tyres, for one.
Yep.
We've got water leaks around windows, which can be inspected from the inside of the caravan to see if there's water staining marks around them.
And we've got this van behind us. What's this van in here for?
Okay, so this van's in for a hail damage repair. So obviously it was quite visible to the customer. Obviously an insurance claim. So it just comes in and replacement cladding gets fitted.
Yeah, and we've got this van's in pretty good condition really underneath,
yes.
but if you don't check your seals around your windows and that quickly could turn into a bit of a disaster for the customer.
Yeah, that is right. There is a little bit of a water stain mark on the front of the van, which indicates a water leak from the window.
And they're the things that, if you can see the sealant's starting to wear, bring it in and get it checked out.
Sure.
So there's some important tips about maintaining your caravan and making sure that you're safe on the road. Now for this tip and any other tip, head to gomakesomememories.com.au.